Why snack the Mediterranean way?
The Mediterranean diet is celebrated for its heart-healthy benefits and delicious variety. Incorporating smart snacks into your day helps maintain energy and curb hunger without straying from your diet goals. By choosing minimally processed foods inspired by this region, you can enjoy flavorful snacks that nourish your body and keep you satisfied between meals.
Fresh fruit and nut pairings.
A handful of nuts and fresh fruit make a classic Mediterranean snack. Try pairing unsalted almonds, walnuts, or pistachios with seasonal fruits like oranges, grapes, or apples. This combination offers healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, a perfect mix to support heart health and keep you feeling full longer.
Veggies with hummus or tzatziki.
Sliced cucumbers, bell peppers, or cherry tomatoes dipped in hummus or tzatziki make a crisp, refreshing snack. Hummus provides protein and fiber from chickpeas, while tzatziki offers a creamy option made from Greek yogurt and herbs. Both support balanced nutrition and are easy to prepare in advance.
Whole grain options for sustained energy.
Whole grain snacks like whole wheat pita with olive oil or brown rice cakes topped with avocado provide slow digesting carbs and healthy fats. Whole grains are a Mediterranean staple and help maintain balanced blood sugar throughout the day. Add a sprinkle of sesame seeds or herbs for extra flavor and nutrients.
Cheese and olive plates.
A small plate of feta, mozzarella, or goat cheese with Kalamata olives delivers a savory, satisfying snack. Cheese provides calcium and protein, while olives are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Add some grape tomatoes or artichoke hearts for additional variety and Mediterranean flair.
Quick tips for smart snacking.
Planning ahead makes healthy snacking easy. Keep cut vegetables, hummus, nuts, fruit, and whole grain crackers on hand. Focus on portion size, variety, and minimally processed ingredients. By choosing Mediterranean-inspired snacks, you support both enjoyment and wellness without sacrificing convenience or delicious flavor.